Hi and welcome back, Attorney Steve Andre, and we are talking in this video about the difference between copyright and plagiarism. So I want to go in and this is a video in case you write blogs or poetry, things online, and looks like a competitor or somebody else is ripping it off and basically copying you, or even for students and teachers, wondering if you're going to get caught for plagiarism, or and you could lead to disciplinary problems with your school, or if you're a teacher, you can look in and see this is student plagiarizing. Boy, that's so well written, I just can't believe it. So this is a handy little tool here. I'm just going to open up a new window that I'm going to show you. Just if you're looking for a plagiarism tool, this is a nice one I found. It's called Plagiarism. Go plagiarism check. It's right here, small SEO tools. I'm going to come here, free online detector. So let's start with this. Let's see. Here's an old poem, and if you want to read it, it's a pretty good one of my favorites. It's called The Road Not Taken. This is a well-known poem here, and I'm just going to post it up here and give you a second. I'm going to give you a second. If you want to pause the video and read that. It's a real good poem. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to check and see if somebody turned that into me, would that be infringing? Can they pass it off as their own? So let's go Control V, and I pasted what am I doing? It's down here. You paste it in there, okay? Your plagiarism checker. And then I don't hit the start now. I just go right here to check the plagiarism. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so it's doing here. You can see the search going, whoa, 100% plagiarism. So that doesn't look very good. So you might want to question that person out. And that person could be, if it's a school issue, they could be facing issues with disciplinary action. If it's verbatim and you have copyrighted poems, let's say, somebody may actually start an infringement action against you. So usually one way I look at the difference between plagiarism and copyright is copyright, for the most part has one victim. That's the copyright owner, and you're infringing one of the exclusive rights to copyright: the right to reproduce, the right to distribute, the right to make copies, right to publicly perform. With plagiarism, there's really like two victims. There's the person whose work it is at issue, and the audience that's reading it. The audience is going, wow, I really thought that was your work, so you fooled me. So they're victims. The people you take from are also victims. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick search here. I've got my own law clerks, and I'm going to do a little search on a blog that was sent to me. And not that I don't trust them, don't get me wrong here, but this is just to illustrate. So one of my clerks just wrote a nice blog about VPN, virtual private networks. And whoops, I don't want to do that. I want to do Control A, Command A. I'm on my Mac. Command C to copy. Let's get rid of that. Let's come over here. Command V. If I can get it in there, Command V to paste. Now look here, you notice you're limited to 1,000 words per search. So I'm going to cut some of this out here. And let's just say we go down to there. That takes it to 933 words over here, so we're good. So I'm going to check. You better hope you're doing it right here, Mr. Law Clerks. So I'm going to do a quick check. It's checking, unique, good. Okay, you're not getting fired. You're looking good. Okay, you're doing your job right. Unique content. And folks, that's what it's really all about, creating unique content. When you start copying other people, I mean, if you're quoting them and giving attribution, that's one thing. But when you start taking too much of somebody else's thing, you could get busted here on a plagiarism checker just like this and face legal problems, ethical problems, problems at school. So don't do it. Create something unique. This is Attorney Steve. This is general legal information only. Just bringing you the tools and showing you some things to think about. Okay, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give me that thumbs up. You got some comments, suggestions. Keep it clean. No nasty stuff on my site. And leave some comments. And make sure you subscribe so you can get some cool little tips like this coming in the future. AttorneySteve.com, bringing you the information. That's AttorneySteve.com. Have a great day now. I got to get back to work.